Hi everyone, I'm Annie here. Today I would like to share with you all. This is the package is for my challenge, birthday giveaway challenge. Is from Violet. Hi Violet. Finally your package arrived today and I'm so excited and can't wait to see it. I will pop below the link for Violet channel so you can check her out and see the details that she for the this camera. She will show you the details. So let me check this out and see the camera. I believe you read well because wow, you sent me and my entry. Okay, see, thank you so much Violet. You sent me, believe you sent me gift, right? Thank you so much. You shouldn't do because the camera is more than enough everything. So okay, let me just show you first the gift because I will show you again later the camera, and I will keep all these beautiful, very soft trim that I just wrap with the gift. Thank you so much. I am so happy, Violet. You're taking your time to join in this challenge. And oh yes, Violet, I have to mention she is the banner queen. She loves to make all types of banner. I have one banner that we do a swap few years back. She make me a banner and I hang on my craft room wall. And thank you so much, Violet. You make me another one. And look at this. B-E. Let me see what it says. B-E-L-I-E-V-E. Believe. Thank you, Violet. And all this is like a crochet doily and in triangle shape. Look at this and the beautiful flower. And Violet, she loves to make banner, and I'm so happy, Violet. You make me. This is my second banner that Violet made for me. I love this one. The first one is like a blue, I forget the color because I already hang over other place, other side of my craft room, my old craft room. And this one, and thank you so much, Violet. You wrap everything so well. And wow, look at this. And I just love Violet style, and she make everything in shabby chic and everything is full of yumminess. And my goodness, just look at this card and see. Wow, I couldn't do something like this because everything is just wow. Shabby chic card. And you can see I just love her style, and she has made me like I believe it's a mini album before, and banner, and I already displayed in my craft room. I hope I have the time to do the craft room tour in 2019 so that you all can see where I display everything that I received from my gorgeous friend. I treasure everything. I just display them everything nicely in my craft room. Look at this, and I believe Violet have the video to show you how she make all these. I just love this one. And the card is write something. Happy birthday, beautiful Annie. I hope you like my entry. I believe I enjoy crafting for you. I enjoy to receive and enjoy to see everything you sent to me. Thank you so much, Violet. I appreciate everything, and I will treasure everything you special made for me. Look at this, yummy. And this pink banner. Thank you so much for the gift, Violet, and I truly appreciate it, and I couldn't say enough thank you enough to you. And this entry. Okay, now we see what Violet made for the camera, and she already posted the video, but I didn't watch it because I just want to get surprised to see how she create her camera box. Okay, and this soft I just love. And okay, everything wrapped so nice. Oh, look at this. Seem like a otter box, but she make it like also, yeah, this you can see, this one is how to call this, is how to call this part of the camera, I don't know how to say. And this is like the focus lens, but you use a flower. Okay, this is one of the camera box, like look like not really look like a camera, but also, yeah, she tried to make this like a camera. But anyway, yeah, it's so pretty. Thank you so much, Violet. And look at this, inside also got the photo frame, like a snippet roll. Oh, and what is inside here? Oh, it's my name, Annie. This is so clever, Violet. And like a snippet roll, and yeah, also can hang this one on the wall. Yeah, and this one I will add this the trim, and I will hang this on the together with my camera box. And this is so cute. Thank you so much, Violet, and I love everything you sent to me. And yeah, you make the box is so unique. Okay, so yeah, see where did and I will hang this one together so I can display this into the camera box corner. So look at all my yummy and the entries here. Look at this one, all this. Wow, thank you so much, Violet, and I love everything. And this little cute, yeah, new unique camera. And yeah, thank you so much, and thanks everyone for stopping by. And I will draw the winner on the let me check the date. I believe is this on the 30th, right? Let me check first. And yeah, please stop by to my channel and check it out for the winner announced. I will have 3 parts of the draw the video, because I have 3 options for the challenge, right? So yeah, I have to separate 3 parts of the video to announce the winner. Okay, and best of luck to everyone, and thank you, and bye bye.